Alright, so we're back with another update. So, since the last dev diary, I've been working on a terrain editor. So, and this is it. So here you can, this is the EU3 map, by the way. Here you can very quickly change up the terrain within the game. And that was important because I also worked on a nation generator, which I'll show later. So yeah, this is a neat little terrain editing tool. It'll also save these changes that I make. So now going to showcase the other features that I've been working on. So as you can tell, the nation, the map looks a lot different now. I worked on a nation generating script, I guess, or feature, function, however you want to put it. And yeah, so it generates between I think between 50 and 100 nations. So if I look at the ledger, which is the next feature that I implemented, you can like sort by area and population, and you can see how many nations it decided to generate, which right now is 113. And you can sort those by area and population, as I've mentioned, and it's quite neat. I was also working on AI behavior, but that's not quite finished. You would just the only way to like really showcase it would just be the console log spitting out a couple of lines saying that it's managed to fabricate claims on something, so that wouldn't exactly be too interesting. Then another thing that's been completed is the console log. I figure that as I get to testing more, I'm gonna have to have a way to do debugging commands. Right now, the only command that's functional is the tag command, which lets me tag switch. So, for example, this country, which has a randomly generated name, Onuvimufo, has a ID of 42, so I can just go tag 42, and there you go. I'm switched to this country now. And let's check the neighbor. Oh, Germany, lovely. 4, and I can do. It's not case sensitive, so I could do, for example, there you go. And now I'd be able to recruit from there theoretically. So yeah, I think that's what I got. So to summarize once more, train editing, country generation, and working on and ledger and debug screen, and working on getting the AI behavior to actually find enemies, because the code for waging wars is already done, but for now they need to intelligently find enemies. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this dev diary, or develop whatever this is supposed to be, and yeah, see you all next month.